Swiss franc bottom of the pile. So I really want to be long here, but not up there. I want this to retest and reconfirm at the Fibonacci levels here between 50 and 61% level. Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day. It's Friday, 8 November 2024, and today I'll be trading long on the US, the Aussie and the New Zealand, short on the yen, the Swiss and the euro. Look at the dollar index coming back heavily here, retesting this level here. You see the levels coming in here, and we saw a solid break on the election of Donald Trump, a record run, I think the biggest in 8 years, and then quite a big sell-off, losing roughly 50% of the gains. But retesting could come back down to this area here. Retesting, let's see what happens here on a Monday morning. Dollar still strong. Earlier this morning it went into neutral state, you can see here. Currently pushing still to stay strong. So I will have to stay dollar long here at present, regardless what I see here. Although it's a big candle, I'll still stay dollar bullish for today. We're looking at gold retraced heavily, hitting the 78% level of the Fibonacci level. So shows us that this bull trend here on the dailies is getting a little bit more weaker because it's retracing much deeper than anticipated. The structure came in there and there between the 50 and 60% level, but it actually managed to get through to 78% level, which shows me some weakness coming in. So I'm not going to do anything on the end of day charts here. I mentioned yesterday that a strong candle would get me to go long, but the fact that it retraced so deeply, I'm going to step aside for now. Bitcoin looking very good, running up the page, stalling a little bit, but this is definitely not a reversal. A little bit of a high wave candle. Yes, the market needs to rest a little bit. I mean, it has run up from 66,000 up to 76,000 in 1 day or 2 days. So market resting a little bit, seeing what would happen. Could see a retest back to the 73, the all-time high previously, or just below that. That was very, very nice. Also, this is the 1.27 level of this last directional swing. Drawing your Fibonacci here, it's a 1.27 level, which is a natural resistance level. It will find resistance. There's some profit taking, and after that, the 1.618 level is the $79,000 levels, which would be fine. We had the head and shoulders here earlier, which I showed you, and that target came in at $80,000. So that's still all in play. You can see here, it was the shoulder, the head, the shoulder, the neckline, the break, and that target's still up there. You can see that that's the $80,000 levels. So that's definitely the next level it would stop and find some resistance at. But for now, I stay strongly bullish on Bitcoin. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor again, Incasu. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. You're looking at the currencies, the New Zealand Swiss. If you look at the New Zealand very strong. Swiss franc bottom of the pile. So I really want to be long here, but not up there. I want this to retest and reconfirm at the Fibonacci levels here between 50 and 61% level. Look at the structure there, brand new trend. Market doesn't go up in a straight line. Every now and then it does something funny, but market doesn't usually go up in a straight line. New Zealand very strong. So I would like to see a retracement before I'll get interested. It needs to test here the structure level right above the 61% level, and then a full nice strong candle reversal. Then I'll take some long positions. New Zealand yen, still the theme for today. I want to be long in New Zealand. Yen, well, gaining a little bit in strength, but not that much. Still stays in the red zone. Big swing up the page. Retracement needed back to this 50 or 61% level here. Structure coming in there and there. These are the two levels I'm watching for some long positions. So nice candle reversals here. I'll then take some long positions. Euro US, same as yesterday. I got this swing up the page or swing down the page. Retracement back to 60% level between the 50 and 60. Look at the structure coming in here. Very strong level in the history also. But I need this to be tested thoroughly. Strong candle reversal. I'll consider some shorts. Look at the euro. Losing speed, was number 1 a few days ago. Now second worst of them all. Dollar also, you can see how the dollar jumping down here. It was just up there on the green zone, and now it's back down there. As this change, I will change my mind also during the day. But I'm going to need a retest before I'll consider anything in any case. In Euro New Zealand, I need a retracement back to the structure coming in here. You can see Euro definitely weak, New Zealand strong. I want to be short here. The retracement is required. I'm not going to short it from down here. So I would like to see retracement. Most likely not going to happen today. Brand new trend, so Monday is also fine, or even Tuesday. But let's see how the RS holds up by then. Then the Euro Pound, not my favorite pair, but all right. Euro completely a red zone. Pound green zone, so I would like to be short here, but not from these areas. Look at the support coming in here. Very, very big support levels. If it breaks through, yes, I'm wrong, but mostly I would love to see a retracement back to the 50-61% level. Structure coming in there. That's the area I'll get interested. I'm not interested in shorting it down here. Then the CAD Swiss. CAD neutral, not after that. Swiss, bottom of the pile. I want to be short Swiss. And getting a long year between the CAD and the Swiss, that'll give me the short on the Swiss. But I'm going to need a retracement back to this area here. And you see the structure coming in there. Good strong support coming in here on a counter reversal. I'll then take some long positions. And the Swiss yen. Now, Swiss yen both red. Yes, not great. But I want to be short Swiss, and this is also a way of getting short on the Swiss. I need a retracement, brand new trend, so it can still evolve. So if I get the retracement, the retest of the 50% level, structure coming in there, once I see a counter reversal there, I'm definitely going to consider some shorts. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. You can support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risks, so don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. I can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.